Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Guri and today we are using the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we are using this kind of yellow shade here, Cabana, and this brownish shade here, Palm I mean, as well as these shimmer shades, Yacht and Inheritance, this golden shade right here, to create the look I'm wearing right now. So if you want to see how to create this look, then just keep watching. I've already primed my lids using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the color Original, and today we're starting out by using this darkest color, Palm. I've already tried this before and I wasn't quite pleased with how it performed, but I'm a little unsure if that was because of the colors that were already on my eye or if it's just kind of patchy on its own. So today we're starting out with this on our clean primed lid, and I'm placing this in the outer part of my eye, and I'm tapping this on, just gradually building up the color. And then I'm just very carefully starting to blend it out. And I'm also bringing this a little bit forward into my crease. And I'm just adding a little bit more color just to build the intensity a little bit. And like this, I'm not sure if it's just the lighting or if it's actually like a little bit patchy right here. Like there's an area where the color just won't stick right in my crease here. But I'm a little unsure if it's the lighting or if it's the actual color, because I find that sometimes when I do my makeup with this lighting or with this lighting setup, it's a little bit hard for me to tell how it looks on the lid. Actually, I think it's the lighting. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Then I'm just brushing away any fallout. Then we're picking up a clean small brush in this color Cabana, and we're placing this on the inner half of the eye. This brush is from Too Faced, I believe. And we're just carefully blending this into the darker shade. And gradually building up the color like we always do. And we're also going to take this shade on the same brush and place it under our eye. And just a nice wash of color, making sure to connect it in the outer corner. And we can also go around the edge of the darker color using this Cabana color. Then I'm picking up the other end of the brush and this shimmer color on top here. It's called Yacht. And I'm just using the flat side of the brush to pick up some color. And then I'm placing this in the center of my lid. Oh wow, this color is so pigmented. This is insane. I did not expect that from a color that I picked up on a brush. From a shimmer color that I picked up on a brush. This is insane. Wow. I'm actually going to flip the brush and just blend over here on the dark side, because this Yacht color was a little bit more intense than I expected it to be, which is very positive, but... And then I'm just building up the intensity of this pretty sick Yacht color. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Then I'm wiping off that Yacht color from the shorter end of my brush, and I'm picking up this golden color, Inheritance. It looks insane. And I'm just placing a little bit of this right here in the center. Like this. Wow, that's so beautiful. This color too is just insane. It does have some fallout. I don't know if you can see it here. That's not a problem. We're just brushing that off before we're placing this color Inheritance in the inner corner as a highlight as well. Then I'm brushing away some fallout. Again, this color did have some fallout, that's fine. Before I'm going over it with a clean fluffy brush, just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Then for my brow highlight, I'm going in with this highlighter kit from Pat McGrath. And I'm going in with the center shade, which is called Fine Gold. Looks like this right here. Oh wow, it doesn't... this lighting doesn't give it justice, but believe me when I say that this is an amazing color. And I'm just going to use a flat shader brush from ABH Cosmetics to place this on my brow bone. This goes beautifully with the colors that we already have on the eye. It's such a nice and subtle sheen. Then I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I actually love how it turned out. I really love these shimmer shades up here. They are so nice to work with. I don't think I've ever tried any shimmer colors that are as pigmented and go on as smoothly as these ones do. I still have some issues with this darkest color, Palm, right here. It is a little bit harder to apply than most colors this shade, but it did end out, in the end it did blend out nicely, and with these shimmers on top it looks absolutely gorgeous, so beautiful, and it's a very pretty color, so even though it's a little bit harder to work with, I still like it. I will have to say though that if you buy this palette for this shade specifically, you should probably just find a different palette. And also that this is not the most unique shade in this palette, so at least for me this shade is not essential to this palette. I'm really looking forward to trying out more of these shimmers later today. But until then, that's it for now. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, any feedback, any wishes for future looks, any products you want me to try out, just please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified every time I upload something so you don't miss out on anything, you can also hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and bye!